Listen to the raindrops falling on the world outside. Just like a million thoughts inside my head and stories in my mind. I wish that I could close my eyes and find a quiet place to fall into tonight. Yeah, 'cause I don't need much of anything except another breath of you. And I hope that there are angels watching everything we do. Can I finally say today's the day that I surrender all my love to you? Yeah. So tell me something, baby. Tell me, should I stay or tell me, should I go? 'Cause I've been thinking lately that this time I've gotta let my feelings show. 'Cause I don't wanna hear, well maybe, I don't wanna hear, we'll try. I've been waiting all my life to fall in love. So tell me that I'm just not dreaming. Tell me everything's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. So if I wish upon a star not to lose my way or lose my heart, will I know if it's the real thing? Will I have a one with meaning? 'Cause you know that I'm not made of steel, but it's dangerous for me to feel this way. Yeah. So tell me something, baby. Tell me, should I stay or tell me, should I